Oh, Noah, did you knock him on down?
Him.
He's so happy. Look. All of them. Get them all.
That's why he made him that tall, so you could knock him down.
Oh. Are you gonna build it? Oh.
I guess you're done with it.
No, he wants to build more.
Oh.
That's his game. He likes it.
Okay, start over.